Welcome to MVP Auto Review, where today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Audi A6, a sedan that not only keeps the German brand's luxury heritage alive but also redefines what a modern executive car should be in an era of electrification, advanced driver assistance, and cutting-edge design. Audi has long been a staple in the premium midsize segment, and with the 2026 A6, they've brought a package that feels sharper, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Right off the bat, the design language of the 2026 Audi A6 makes a strong statement. The front fascia is dominated by a more aggressive and slightly wider single-frame grille, flanked by ultra-slim digital matrix LED headlights that don't just look futuristic, they offer adaptive beam shaping for ultimate visibility. The side profile remains elegant, with a flowing shoulder line and sculpted panels, while the rear sports OLED taillights with customizable light signatures. Audi has mastered the art of blending sportiness with sophistication, and this model continues that tradition. The proportions are balanced, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks reduce drag, boosting both efficiency and performance. Under the hood, or in the case of electric variants, under the floor, Audi offers multiple powertrains to suit different buyers. Traditionalists will still have access to refined mild hybrid turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, with outputs ranging from a smooth 250 horsepower to a more spirited 375 horsepower in the higher trims. But the big news is the new fully electric Audi A6 e-tron variant, which uses the PPE Premium Platform Electric architecture co-developed with Porsche. This EV model boasts up to 430 miles of range on a single charge, ultra-fast 270 kilowatts DC charging that can take the battery from 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes, and blistering acceleration that gets it from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. On the road, the 2026 Audi A6 delivers the kind of refined yet engaging drive that has made the brand a favorite among enthusiasts and executives alike. Adaptive air suspension comes standard on higher trims and is available across the lineup, offering both plush comfort for long highway cruises and sharper handling when the road gets twisty. Quattro all-wheel drive is still the backbone of the driving experience, ensuring stability and confidence in all conditions. Audi's engineers have tuned the steering to feel more direct, giving the driver a stronger connection to the road while maintaining the isolation and quietness expected from a luxury sedan. Step inside, and you'll immediately see why the A6 is a benchmark in interior craftsmanship. The cabin blends premium materials such as fine leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood with cutting-edge technology. The latest version of Audi's MMI system is powered by a faster processor and features dual high-resolution touchscreens, a fully digital 12.3-inch virtual cockpit, and an optional augmented reality head-up display. Haptic feedback makes interacting with the screens more intuitive, while voice control has been upgraded to understand natural speech patterns. For the audiophiles, a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Space is generous for both front and rear passengers, with improved legroom thanks to smarter packaging in both the combustion and electric versions. The seats are not only supportive but now offer new massage programs, climate control, and even side bolstering that adjusts in corners. Ambient lighting with customizable colors allows drivers to set the mood, whether it's a relaxed evening cruise or a spirited weekend drive. Safety and driver assistance technology in the 2026 A6 is nothing short of impressive. The latest adaptive cruise control works seamlessly with lane centering to provide semi-autonomous highway driving. New features include intersection assist, exit warning, and predictive efficiency assist, which uses GPS and traffic data to optimize speed for efficiency. In the electric variant, the system even factors in charging station availability along your route. Audi's approach with the 2026 A6 clearly shows their focus on bridging the gap between traditional luxury motoring and the inevitable electric future. For those who still love the character and sound of a combustion engine, there are refined mild hybrids that keep fuel consumption in check without sacrificing performance. For early adopters and tech lovers, the A6 e-tron offers a glimpse into what the next decade of motoring will look like: fast, quiet, clean, and connected. Pricing is competitive in the segment, starting around $58,000 for the base model and climbing to over $80,000 for fully loaded electric trims. While the Mercedes-Benz E-Class and BMW 5 Series remain strong rivals, the A6's a combination of design elegance, driving precision, and forward-looking technology makes it one of the most compelling choices in its class. The 2026 Audi A6 isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a statement that Audi can deliver old-world refinement and next-generation innovation in a single package. Whether you're an executive looking for understated prestige, a tech enthusiast craving the latest features, or simply someone who enjoys the pleasure of driving, the new A6 checks every box with confidence and style. In short, this is Audi at its best: refined, progressive, and ready for the future.